won this episode.
What do you need?
I have a right to refuse. I have a right to refuse. Get him. I have a right to refuse. I have a right.
You're now watching Doorbell Watchers. It's Nevada, and something about this moment immediately feels off.
And I don't care about you doing your thing, but don't be calling me no. You know what I'm talking about, bud. You out here, you hear it. This your company. Handle it.
Cheers, amen.
Handle it.
Birmingham, Alabama. Looks like this delivery worker couldn't resist taking a quick sip before dropping it off.
Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
She's 190. Thank you.
Looks like these kids couldn't resist helping themselves to someone else's drinks. And apparently, she decided that still wasn't enough. Youngstown, Ohio.
No, sir. I have a right to refuse, sir. I have a right. I have a right to refuse. I have a right to refuse. Get him. I have a right to refuse. I have a right to refuse, sir. I have a right. No. I have a right. You don't want to.
A leaking propane tank turns this box truck into a fireball. Here's what's left behind.
All the way up here still? It was a truck. Wow. Huh. Ooh. The truck exploded. Wow. That's crazy. Huh.
A massive tornado tears through Aurora, Colorado, captured on camera. And just when you think she's done, she comes back for more. One sudden mistake, and this Tesla is out of control. Los Angeles, California.
What do you need? Can I help you? Hello?
These kids regularly stop by his house, and it's clear there's a special bond here.
What's good with you?
Yeah, can we do our workout today? We missed a couple of days ago.
Yeah, I'll be there in probably like 30 minutes.
Yeah, cause your car is out here.
Yeah, I'm with my wife.
Oh, really? You was good, bro.
What's good, man? Where you been at, boy?
He been grounded. I was grounded because of this dude. What's up? Oh my god, I told him. Bro, are you almost here?
I'm like 20 minutes away.
Alright, you know how to fix bikes?
What's wrong with it?
Shut up. Cody, don't touch me. Bro, both of y'all shut up.
Hold on, bro. What y'all doing? Y'all don't fight on the front porch now.
He punched me. Shut up. Bro, be quiet before I get on punishment. So the back brakes won't work.
They probably just got to be tightened up then.
Alright, can you
Yeah,
fix
yeah,
it?
yeah. I'll look at it when I get there. I'll be there in like 20 minutes.
Alright, bro.
That boy
Alright.
head got bigger too now.
Oh, me? How about
Nah,
me?
Zay, Zay head. He been on punishment and your head got bigger.
Yeah. They been going. How long are we going for? 5
Y'all
months.
man, you won't go on 5 months, bro. Yeah, I started building a deck on the back and everything. Y'all missed out a lot.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
When this? Shut up, let me talk. I know you ain't just hit your brother. I ain't trying to get in trouble, bro. I ain't trying to go back on punishment, so that's between y'all. Come on. Cody, come on, bro. Come on. Don't leave. Why would you do that? All right, bro. See you when you get here.
Met for Oregon.
Get out. Nobody ever gave you permission to walk in my house. Go. Go. This is unacceptable. Unacceptable. You knock on the door, you wait for me to answer, you leave. All right.
Grinnell, Iowa. What's left behind after the tornado is almost unrecognizable. Missouri. Looks like that apartment complex was made out of paper. Farmington Hills, Michigan. An officer takes cover behind a brand new Range Rover, scanning the area. A powerful tornado hits, and this man barely escapes, as a falling tree nearly takes him out. A quick hit, and an even quicker getaway. A car ends up flipped in the middle of the night, and whoever was inside disappears before anyone shows up.
Get me from the front door now.
Do you need help? This is not your house. Do not try to open the door. Who is this? Don't open it. She's leaving. Is that the neighbor?
Not slap him.
There's video of it.
How did I slap him?
So you need to unlock the door?
When did I slap him?
Unlock the door.
Please show me the video where I slapped him.
I will show it to you, but you need to unlock this door.
No, I did not slap him.
If you do not unlock this door, we will force our way inside the house.
You don't see him doing that?
And we will take you to jail. We're trying to do this the easy way, but you're making
No,
it
I'm not. Why would I'm not? I literally waited for you guys to report this for hours.
I know. And we
I'm
got
not
to it
doing
now.
this.
Right
No.
now, I will breach this door. Don't tempt me. I really wanted to, but it's not worth it.
Pretty sure they're going to need a warrant for that.
Technically, we're on hot pursuit of a violent misdemeanor, but we can't articulate any exigent